gentlemen, teachers, my friends, and my beloved students. It's me, Vingun, standing in front of you, the group leader of Group F, to present a presentation on the topic Pratap Malla. So here you can see the table of contents that we are today going to present here over here. So now without further delay, I would like to call my friend Nima Bakin over here to explain about the incident.
Pratap Malla. As we already know, he was the man and brave king of the Malla dynasty, ruled the Kathmandu for a long period. The way of his becoming king is very interesting and controversial. Not that much had an experience of administration, even though when his father was alive. He was the very vast renowned king and poet in Sarati, Nepal Bhasha, Nepali, Bengali, Hindi, etc. Also, he was the fond in music, so musicians were welcome and respected in the palace. While his father Lakshmi Nara Singh Malla's madness grew worse, he imprisoned him and ruled the Kantipur as a result of his father. Now, for the next slide, I would like to call Guru.
Now, moving towards next slide. Here you can see the history of Malla dynasty. As we all know that Kantipur was ruled by many dynasty of many kings from different dynasties, and among them Malla dynasty was also one of them. Here the Malla dynasty ruled Kathmandu Valley from 1201 to 1779 CE, which is around 578 years. In that period, Malla dynasty was well known for their contribution to the development of Nepal Mandala. Nepal Mandala, which is known as the present Kathmandu Valley, which are made or which are the united of Kathmandu, Bhaktapur, and Lalitpur. In the period of Malla dynasty, the Malla dynasty transformed the Kathmandu Valley into a sophisticated urban center and a key trade route hub. The Malla dynasty was founded by Aridev Malla, as he has founded the Malla dynasty, who was also the first king of Malla dynasty. Kantipur saw the flourish of art, literature, and religious practices, particularly during the reign of Jayasthiti Malla. Last Malla dynasty king of Kantipur was Jayaprakash Malla. Tej Narsingha Malla, the last king of Patan, and Ranajita Malla of Bhaktapur. So now, for the next slide, I would like to call Lakpadur Sherpa over here.
Contribution of Pratap Malla in architecture and economy. Pratap Malla significantly contributed to the development of art, architecture, literature, and economy during the Malla dynasty. Pratap Malla was a religious-minded person who built temple at Bugeshwari and Fancy. Pratap Malla also renovated Pashupatinath and Pinnacle over it. Pratap Malla wanted his son to experience administration, but unfortunately his second son died and established Rani Pokhari to console the victim. For the next slide, I would like to call our captain, Mr. Bhim.
Here you can see the contribution of Pratap Malla in development of Kantipur. As he was the king of Kantipur, he also has developed the Kantipur in different sectors. Like he is well known for unifying the Kathmandu Valley, which we can also know as Kantipur. And he invited scholars from the abroads and supported religious instruction and encouraged artistic and literary pursuits. Not only that much, he has also announced the Kantipur as the trade center with Lhasa. At that time, he started to get trade with Lhasa at that time, and he extended and secured the borders of Kantipur and established a monopoly over trade with Lhasa, leading to economic prosperity. He was also a prolific builder, so he has built structures in Darbar Square and Biyanti. So now for the conclusion, I would like to call Sudhir here. wrote a lot of poems in multiple languages like Nepali, Hindi, and Sanskrit. He encouraged trade and business. He made Kandipur cultural and trading center. He works hard to make Kandipur better and beautiful.